Hello, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to build affiliate communities that convert. Now, this is one of my strategy. I always like building communities because I know that I'll benefit from this. I always like building communities because I know that I'll benefit from them in the long run. So join me as I teach you how to actually do it and why it is important. Like I said, you build communities because of the warm audience. Communities have warm audience. They are ready to they're always ready to engage is for building trust and credibility. When you have a community, a WhatsApp group or something, you're building your credibility. You're increasing the lifetime value. You're boosting the lifetime value of that customer. Like one of the best ways I build communities WhatsApp. Daily status ensures high visibility. Broadcast, I don't use broadcast, I use group. You can also drop some mini polls and stories, just mini trainings here and there. Telegram communities, the same thing, just a different platforms. The channels for structured updates, groups for Q&A and bonding, content manager management. Telegram also have a status base, so you can also post your status there. Community engagement hack, storytelling posts, inspire and educate members. Don't just be dry. Don't just try to sell every time. Exclusive bonuses, reward loyal members, and constant live sessions, Q&A and interactive content important for you. Now, pro tip, conversion. This is pro tip is the conversion power. A community converts better than a cold audience every single time. Like today, just today alone, I know some people that have been in my funnel that are just coming to meet me and asking me, I want to pay for your program because of, I've been there because of price, blah, blah, blah. This is it. Communities always work. So believe me when I tell you this, even you probably bought because of a community. The power of trust. Communities fosters genuine connection, building trust, and translate into a higher conversion rate. Long-term value. You need to engage communities. Like engage communities will lead to increased customer loyalty and a higher lifetime value of your business. Strategic communication. Leverage platforms like WhatsApp and Telegram. Emails will also work. This WhatsApp and Telegram is just for direct, impactful communities with your audience. Future proof your affiliate marketing business by building communities. It is a key to sustainable growth and success in affiliate marketing business. That is what I'll just tell you. So, I know you should probably know how to build a community, open a WhatsApp group, open a Telegram group. One members will turn into 1,000 one day, 1,000 will turn into 10,000 one day. So, don't be scared of starting small.